Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Farah Rizky Afianti. My student number is 110. I am a college student of Agribusiness Study Program, Agriculture Faculty, University of Trunajaya Madura. In this video, I will answer the final semester exam question for the Islamic Business Economy course. Murabaha Agreement. Murabaha is a sale and purchase contract for certain goods wherein the sale and purchase the seller clearly stated the good being traded, including the purchase price and the profit taken. Murabaha scam. 1. The customer submit an application for the procurement of goods, and the bank make observation regarding the feasibility of the customer. 2. If the customer request is accepted, the bank conduct a credit, sale, and purchase transaction with the customer. The customer pays a down payment, the rest will be paid in installment over the time frame set by the bank. 3. Bank buy goods to dealer in cash and have them delivered directly to customer. 4. After the goods are sent, the customer is obligated to pay installment to the bank. 5. The bank benefit from the difference between the dealer price and the customer price. Assalam. Assalam contract is a sale and purchase in which the receipt of the good is deferred by payment of the cash price. Sales was dependent characteristic have been described in the beginning with the price of working capital paid upfront. The explanation in the above scheme is simple that three are two parties to the transaction, namely the seller and the buyer. Call the seller as A and the buyer as B. Person B will buy a product in the form of a tractor because the tractor could not be profit directly at the time. Person B made a granting contract to person A. Person B explains specifically the tractor wanted. After agreeing, the tractor is made and the appointed time to be complete. The tractor is sent to A. Istisnas concrete. Istisnas is an agreement between two parties, namely the buyer and the seller, regarding ordering goods based on certain criteria agreed upon by both two parties. Thus, the seller is obligated to prepare the ordered good and the buyer is obligated to pay for it. There are two parties to the transaction, namely the seller and the buyer. In this case, the buyer ordered goods according to specification to the manufacturer. If the company works to produce the ordered good with raw material from the company, then an istisna concrete appears. In order for the istisna concrete to be valid, the price must be determined in advance according to the agreement, and the good must have clear specifications that have been mutually agreed upon. Each istisna payment can be in advance or in installment until it is complete. When the goods are finished, the goods are sent directly according to the order to the buyer. Court. Al-Qard is a loan agreement to lend asset by people in need and must be returned according to the initial nominal without compensation and returned with a certain period according to the agreement. Can be in installment or directly paid in full from the loan. Muqrid as a lender provide loans or debts to Muqtarid as a borrower. Loans or debt here can be in the form of money, gold, or other tangible object. In this case, there is a contract between the Mukrik and the Muqtarid. Muqtarid as a borrower has an obligation to return the loan without any compensation to the Mukrik according to the mutually agreed term debt. Run is holding collateral material that belongs to the borrower as collateral or a loan reserves, and the goods reserves are of economic value so that the holding party gets a guarantee to take back all or part of his debt from the pledged good in the party who pledges does not able to pay the debt at that specific time. The scam is that through the run contract, the customer submit movable good and then the pawn shop story and maintains in the place profit by the Pegadaian from the storage process. Costs will arise which include the investment value of the stored area, maintenance costs, and the entry activity process. On this basis, it is justified for Pegadaian to charge rental fees to customer according to amount agreed by both parties. Sharia pawn shop only benefit from space rental fees, not additional interest or model rentals that are calculated from borrowed money. Wadi'ah. Al-wadi'ah in terms of language is to leave or put something on someone else to be nurtured and guarded. There are two types of wadi'ah, namely the wadi'ah yat amanah konkret and the wadi'ah yat damanah konkret. Wadi'ah yat amanah konkret scam. Wadi'ah yat amanah konkret is an item that is deposited at all might not be used by the party receiving the deposit, so that the party receiving the deposit is not responsible for the risks that befall them item bank deposit. The wadi'ah amanah konkret is illustration in a simple process. That is, the custodian will provide the good to be deposited, however, as a service for strong the custodian buys. The usually happens in Islamic bank on safe deposit box product. Wadi'ah yat damamah konkret. Wadi'ah yat damamah konkret is a deposit of good that can be used or utilized by the reception of the deposit. When viewed from the scheme above, the good or asset deposit are turned by the bank is in a business with them from the business generate profit that are intended specifically for the bank. The bank decision to give a bonus or not depend of the bank on policy. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. Thank you very much for your nice attention, and that I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.